Hello, lovely viewers, welcome back to Health Tips channel. Today, we have got something truly exciting to share with you, the hidden power of 5 super seeds that can repair nerves. It's a topic that holds the potential to change lives and improve nerve health for many. So, let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Before we reveal the fantastic seeds that can aid in nerve repair, let's briefly understand why this is so important. Nerves are the body's communication system, sending signals that control everything from muscle movements to sensations like touch, taste, and pain. When these vital pathways are damaged, it can lead to a range of health issues. Now, let's meet our superheroes, the super seeds with the hidden power to repair nerves. First on our list is flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that's essential for maintaining nerve cell structure and function. But that's not all. Flax seeds are also high in fiber, indirectly supporting overall health. Additionally, they provide essential nutrients like vitamin B6 for nerve signal transmission and magnesium for nerve and muscle function. Next up, we have chia seeds. These little wonders are a nutritional powerhouse that can support nerve repair. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve cell structure and function. Additionally, chia seeds provide essential nutrients like magnesium, which is vital for nerve function. Their combination of omega-3s and key nutrients makes chia seeds a valuable addition to a diet aimed at promoting nerve repair and overall nerve health. Now, let's talk about hemp seeds. Hemp seeds offer a balanced mix of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, crucial for nerve cell structure and function. Hemp seeds contain gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Hemp seeds are rich in protein and provide all essential amino acids. Proteins are crucial for building and repairing tissues, including nerves. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, play a role in maintaining the structural integrity of nerve cells. Hemp seeds provide essential nutrients including vitamin E, potassium, and magnesium. Vitamin E, an antioxidant, safeguards nerve cells from oxidative stress, aiding nerve repair. Magnesium is essential for proper nerve function, ensuring smooth transmission and signaling. Our fourth seed, sunflower seeds, are vitamin E champions. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E supports the healing and repair of damaged nerves. Last but not least, we have pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral vital for nerve transmission and function. Plus, they are armed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like zinc and copper. These seeds work in synergy, supplying your body with a variety of essential nutrients, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Together, they create the optimal environment for nerve repair. So, you can sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, add them to smoothies, or even incorporate them into your baking. Remember, nerve repair can be a complex process, and it may require a holistic approach. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and overall wellness practices are essential. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so if you have any medical concerns, consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness guides. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for tuning in. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.